Hi, lovelies. I'm so sorry. It's been ages. I've been doing so many Christmas things. We've been to Germany. We've just I have neglected my nail duties, unfortunately. But you're going to have like 3 videos in quick succession now. So, I mean, who's the real winner here, guys? So this is my next envelope for the nail art calendar. I can never get them open. I think I give in and use tweezers in the end. I think I did that last year, actually, to be fair. Yeah, getting the tweezers. When I can find them. Oh no, I use the cuticle tool. So what have we got for day 9? Come on, don't leave us in suspense. So we've got this Golden Dream foil, which is pretty groovy looking. What have we got in day 10? Yeah, we've been to like the German Christmas markets. We've done like Christmas pottery classes. Been to like a state house like that was sort of made up as like Neverland and Peter Pan. I've just been so busy. So day 10 we've got gloss pink glitter, which is really nice. I'm not sure the camera really picks up like the glinty gold in with that pink there, and I'm not usually a pink person, but that's actually really nice. What have we got in day 11? Oh, it takes ages to get into these damn envelopes. So it's now the 23rd of December and we're never leaving the house again. Angel eyes for the 10th. I'm not sure about that glitter really, to be honest, but we'll see. So this video is gonna be mainly using that Keep the Change Madam Glam magnetic polish. We're doing 2 gingerbread accent nails. So we're putting the coat on and then we're going to use the magnet to bring out the pigments like so. Side to side, up and down. Get that in the lamp and do your second coat. And then we're going to use my 8mm detailer brush. And this one is just going to have like icing drips. You know how you would have done like icicles maybe, or even like Halloween blood drips, slime drips. Basically the same sort of principle. Just do your little drips and then connect them a bit more after you've done the length of them. So I've done 2 coats of that. I mean, you could actually like sugar glitter on these maybe, but because I want to do like little coloured sprinkles, that won't really work all that well for me. So we're just going to do little green and red sprinkles. And how easy is that? That's a really quick gingerbready accent nail, if I do say so myself. I mean, I do realise that these nail art videos probably are not beneficial for this year anymore, but I enjoyed doing them. I was supposed to upload them on Monday, but I had a bit of a meltdown, so I could not do these voiceovers until now, unfortunately. There we have the first one. We're going to shiny top coat that because you can't matte top coat a magnetic polish. It's just nah. And then there we have. So we're going to use the same polish again for the base of the second nail. So it's Keep the Change from Madam Glam. It's super pretty, like really good magnetic polish, even though I'm a little bit annoyed at Madam Glam at the minute after having paid a lot of customs charge for my advent calendar that didn't arrive until last week. But never mind, don't matter. Look at that magnetic glow. So we're doing a gingerbread house for this one. So we're doing like the diagonal front, you know what I mean, front of the house. So this is like the roof shape. So we're just gonna get to the edges. Then we're going to do the door, start off from the bottom of the nail to work out the middle, because I actually wiped off a previous door before this little clip here. That's the easiest way to work out how to get your door directly in the middle. I think I did an all right job in the end. And it was only the second attempt, so I don't feel too bad about that. I hope you're all ready for Christmas. I am super ready for Christmas. I am just so ready to just watch all the Christmas films, eat all the chocolate and the gingerbread. We're going to make a gingerbread house tomorrow. When I say we're going to make a gingerbread house, we're going to decorate one. So we're doing the little window above the door. So it's just going to be a circular window. Some icing coming down just as wall decorations from the roof there, just either side of the door. And then we'll do the little window pane crosses and a little doorknob. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do sprinkles again, just super easy, super quick. Like this one, although looks like more than the other nail, still hasn't taken that long really. You don't want too much gel on your brush. You just little bits, enough to show the colour but not too much to blob it. And then we're going to go in with the red. Pretty. I've still got so many Christmas films to watch that we just haven't got round to yet this year. Like, I had all these Christmassy plans this year and I feel like it's just gone like bananas. And we're just going to do like a little candy cane door. So we're just going to use the red, just go around. And there we have super easy, simple gingerbread door designs. Going to shiny top coat this one also. Like I say, you're going to get 3 videos including this one in quick succession. I probably will upload them all today. So I hope you like this one. Please stay tuned for the next one, which will be, could be Christmas tree, also could be candy canes. Here's the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.